In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to verify your location on YouTube TV. So the first thing you want to do is open up YouTube TV app on your device or go to tvyoutube.com in a Google web browser. Then sign into your YouTube TV account if you haven't already. Click on your profile picture on your top right hand corner. Then you'll want to select location from the drop down menu. Then under current playback area, click or tap on update. If you're using a smart TV, you'll need to complete the process on your mobile device. So go onto your smartphone, then go on tv.youtube.com/verify. Allow the website to access your device's location. If you're on a mobile device or computer, YouTube TV will attempt to verify your location automatically. If automatic verification fails, you may need to enable location services on your device. So for smartphones, ensure GPS is on. For computers, allow location access to your browse settings. If prompted, make sure to enter your zip code to confirm your location. YouTube TV will then update your current playback area based on your verified location. If you're still experiencing any issues, make sure to try the following. This includes disabling any VPN, clearing your browse cache or cookies, and then restarting your device and trying again. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.